I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. This is the one that you wanted back in the day, now you just want to LS swap it. Wrap on the dash and shit. There's a 1994. Still ain't the year you want. 95, 96, in my opinion. But actually judging by this fucking back window, I don't think that's a fucking 94. Could be. I don't know. This is where the box used to be. You can tell by the fucking rocket power trail. Now it's a fucking setup shit. Roadmaster. Let me see. Find something else interesting. GTP. I got an alert for something, man. Something else. This wasn't it. Oldsmobile 98. I was saying 1988. Interior, Regency Broham, you know what I'm saying? Creme de la creme, nigga. These seats will probably sell for something, bro. But it's in good condition, just need to be fucking, what you call, cleaned up a little bit. Interior look real good on this one. Goddamn opera lights on the side. I'm gonna put me some opera lights on the side of something to watch. I'm gonna put me some opera lights on the side of something. Buick Park ass. This is one like my grandma used to have, bro. I'm saying, bro, this shit was so throw to me when I was a kid. How you like fucking lift the hood up. I bitch say Buick up under that hole. Little did I know it was just a little 3800 up under that bitch. I think my grandma was a 1990. So it was an 89. Yeah, it had that same little emblem right there. Somebody grabbed it, so they was trying to. On my grandma 91, it was something that was right back up here. Yeah, I don't know what that shit did, but it did. That did something to make it do something crazy or something, but yeah. The emblems like that, Buick, fresh. Might have to come back another day. I ain't got enough time today. Yeah, man. That would have been my first car, man. My grandma passed, they sold it. Bro, I was mad than a bitch. I was mad and sad that day. Oh my God, I'm back at it again. Oh my God, I'm back at it again. I said Cutlass. I think this is one we've seen before. Motherfucker, Frank looked over that bitch. 78. This one. 85. Let's say they should have another one out of this bitch. 88. Oldsmobile 98. They had a little wood wheel in that bed. These was some different ass seats. Look like fucking Intimidator ass seats. I don't know. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. My mama used to drive one of these bitches back in the day. The Color Sierra. I wonder, is this emblem the same as that other one? Because if so, I could take that hoe and put it on the Cutlass. Y'all let me know. I'm pretty sure ain't nobody checking for that bitch right there. Y'all let me know if that hoe work on the Cutlass. If it do, I'll come back and get it. But yeah, man, my mama had Color Sierra, same fucking color and everything, though. Way back in the Gap, nigga. Way back in the Gap. And yes, Lord. But this is one of the things that hit the radar. I had to come see. 84 Cutlass. I thought that bitch was a different color though. I thought it was a two-door. That bitch a Broham. Goddamn pool straps on that bitch. The center shit is gone. This dash is pretty much the same, but you know, I got my dash is complete. So unfortunately, let me see here. Yeah. I mean, technically this could work, but I mean, that ain't what you want. That ain't what you want. Technically, I could just glue that bit back together, huh? Fuck it, I'ma grab that bit. Fuck it, I'ma grab that bit. Yeah, man. Man, say 131. I thought Cortez had told me it was an emblem out here. I don't know if somebody beat me to it, but that's not like mine. It might have been that one down there, but I could have swore that was the one that we got. Let me look. Let me walk back down. Cadillac thing. You know. I got this interior. Lush, the canary, motherfucker, canary yellow in this dude here. Yes, sir. That's in damn good condition, bro. This hoe is ready. Ready? Get that window. Another motherfucker. Bitch is gonna start teasing me. Bitch is gonna start teasing me. Motherfucking, what you call it? Do you know what fucking me, Alright, so what do we got here? Oh Lord, have mercy, it is. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. We got a 1977 to 85 motherfucking Buick Lesabre, two-door thing. Yeah, man. Buick Lesabre. Ooh, bitch. I love to have this hoe. Just for the simple, bro, a lot of people riding like two-door boxes. Everybody, this shit right here, nigga. This shit right here, nigga. I'm gonna have to go ahead and give y'all the classic fucking rundown on this bitch. Alright, man, so we got 1985 Buick Lesabre. Take it to the trunk. Oh yeah, you know I be looking for these. Thank you. You know I be looking for them bad boys. Take it to the trunk so you see the VIN and the RPO codes. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Y'all know I don't do this shit for real, man. I'm paying homage to my motherfucking OG classic ride society, man. Y'all go check out the video. Yeah, man, body ain't too bad. Yeah, that's some Russian shit would be. Well, they got the dash out this bitch. They took the dash out this bitch. Door panel's gone. I'm late to the punch on this one. I guarantee you. Somebody might have already shot a video about this bitch. That's how late to the party I am. I think my dog was telling me about these bitches here. No, we were talking about what goes right here as far as trim. I might have these already. But yeah, basically this piece comes up so far. Is that the right way? This piece come up so far, and then this metal piece go across the side of that bitch. Yep, got some glass on my shoe, boy. Damn, what you fucking problems. So yeah. So this is a piece right here that I need. I got a whole fucking set of these niggas. Ching cash out, boy. And those going home with me. Yeah, probably going up for sale in trade. Let me get a screwdriver, man. Grab these little plastic clips right there. These are what hold the headliner up, and it's a mount for that trim. I got the one side. I find it odd. Ooh, that bitch trying to fight me. Now, I find it odd that somebody will take the one side. I find it odd that somebody would take one side and not the other. Well, I mean, I also find it odd that they would leave these motherfucking caps like that. Bitch, that's what I do. That's what I do. As far as the trim pieces, there's one is for that was for the driver's side, right? Hold on. Some don't fit right. Either way, one should be for that door, and it should be another for this door. It looks like they took everything off this side and just left us bucket naked. But we got one trim. Shit, if I'm not mistaken, I might have that other one at the house. I just didn't know what the fuck went there. artificial panels and handbrake. You still got the rocker panels on that bitch. A little different, but you know, kind of the same. A little different, but kind of the same. Yeah, man, I hate to see this motherfucker here, for real, for real. You win some, you lose some. My little trim piece, like I said, man, I don't know what time it is. Man. I need to get the fuck up out of the bed. I still got a 30-minute drive back to fucking... A 30-minute drive back to fucking where I come from. And then I gotta get it ready for work. So, yeah. Yeah, something don't let me too bad. I said I'm trying to pay my homage to my OG. Where is he? Y'all check him out at Classic Bride Society. Some little side panels is the same. The seats are close, you know. And it's here going on the side of the seats. Like I said, bro, I don't understand why they would take one out of upper side joints and not the other. But who am I to question it? Who am I? Got the 307 in the thing. Same big ass motor was in the Cutlass, man. Fenders in good condition. Brake. I think both of them in good condition. Those don't look too bad. We got some bubble right there. Overall, though, it ain't too terrible. Man, I'm mad the motherfuckers took the other fucking piece up there for the trim. I'm good. Alright, man, well, shit, I'm gonna wrap this bitch up. Like I said, I gotta get ready to go work. Go home, shower and shit. Until the next time, man, it's your boy. That's your right to fight weakness. Make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over